Microsoft has confirmed that it will unveil the new generation of Windows 10 on June 14th. The company has been teasing the update for a long time. The new version will be presented by CEO Satya Nadella and Chief Product Officer Panos Panay. In its new report titled App Store Ecosystem, Cupertino-based tech giant Apple has said that its business through the App Store netted up to $634 billion in 2020, which is a 24% increase over the previous year. The report was commissioned by Apple and was conducted by an external group. A new study reported in The Verge has revealed that people who use Apple Watches and Fitbits are not just more likely to visit doctors with heart conditions, but also to get treated with a heart procedure. The study looked at a diverse group of 125 individuals over 90 days with wearables, and the data was compared to 500 other people with the same characteristics but without any smartwatches. The study was carried out at the University of Utah Health. Chinese tech giant Huawei has officially launched its operating system called Harmony OS, which will be a counter to the Android OS. The operating system is available in two versions, one for IoT and smartwatches and the other for smartphones and tablets. The company also said that not a single line of code was copied from Android. As per reports, the computer systems of New York's Metropolitan Transit Authority, also known as the MTA, were breached by hackers in April. The breach, which authorities say did little damage, was reportedly carried out by hackers with Chinese links. Facebook has announced new APIs for WhatsApp and Instagram at its F8 Refresh Developer Conference on Wednesday. Apart from this, the company also showcased new tools for developers like Login Connect with Messenger and Facebook Business Extension. The new tools will help business combine messaging and applications for better monetization and workflow. US space agency NASA has confirmed that it will be launching two missions to Venus within this decade. The two missions, named DaVinci Plus and Veritas, will be awarded $500 million each and will launch around 2028 to 2030. Tech giant Google told the Delhi High Court on Wednesday that the new IT Rules 2021, which came into effect last month, did not apply to it as it is a search engine and not a social media intermediary like Twitter or Facebook. The FBI on Wednesday confirmed that the cyber attack on JBS, the world's largest meat supplier, was engineered by a Russian hacker group. As per reports, computer networks at JBS were hacked on Tuesday, causing some operations in Canada, Australia and the United States to provisionally shut down, affecting thousands of workers.